Hey, I'm Ader, and I'm here to tell you more about our unique interior design approach here at Luke Edwards Interior Design. There are 3 different components to our approach, which, when combined, we believe creates a golden triangle of interior design. So, let's take a look at the first component. It all starts with the client brief. We listen carefully to gain a deep understanding of your business, vision, and goals for your space, collecting all the information necessary to form the foundation of the design brief and narrative. This enables us to continuously clarify the project requirements, ensuring that your interior reflects your brand identity, keeps the end user in mind, and results in a value-driven and timeless design outcome. The second component is our method design philosophy. We incorporate your brand identity, in addition to grounding the design to the unique characteristics of the location, building, and interior, giving purpose behind every design detail to create a cohesive environment. This philosophy is able to capture the essence of each space, creating a unique personality and ensuring that every space tells a story and has a memorable character that truly speaks to the soul of the place and creates an authentic connection within its context, which is why we say, we bring interiors to life. Neuro Design principles makes up the third and final component of this golden triangle approach. These are forward-thinking design principles, which embrace the connection between interior design and the human brain. By understanding how our minds respond to various spatial characteristics, every detail is thoughtfully considered to engage the senses and promote comfort, well-being, and an enriched human experience, ensuring your interior spaces leave a lasting impression. We believe that this combination of the client brief, with the design principles and philosophies of method design and neuro design, truly are the golden triangle of interior design. So, there you have it. Now you know a little bit more about our interior design approach. Please continue to explore our website and use any of the contact methods on the website to get in touch to discuss your own project. We look forward to bringing our unique interior design approach to your next interior design project, and together, we can bring your interiors to life. Thanks for watching.